I am going to go over how to build a LinkedIn company page with you guys. So here you'll want to sign in to your LinkedIn. If you don't have a personal profile for LinkedIn, you do need to have a personal profile in order to create a company page. So here I am logged into my LinkedIn personal account, and it shows the first thing it goes to is my LinkedIn newsfeed. When I'm creating a LinkedIn company page, the first step is that we want to go to work and scroll all the way down to create company page. And we're going to create for small business. And we're going to just name this Bridget Brooks because I am my brand and my website. So for industry, for me, I'm going to look at what they have for advertising or digital advertising. And for you, it might be real estate, or maybe if you are a big affiliate marketer, it's going to be online media. So just find the one that really fits what aligns with your industry. My company size is 2 to 10 employees. My company type is a sole proprietorship. My logo, I'm actually going to use as a cover photo. So I'm just going to use a great picture that I have of myself. We'll use this one. There's a picture of me, and my tagline, I will say, I help small businesses gain massive digital exposure through Facebook and LinkedIn. I spelled LinkedIn right? LinkedIn ad. So that's my tagline. I verify that I'm authorized representative of this organization, and I hit create page. Now here's what I really love about LinkedIn is they're going to walk you through every piece that you need to have a built out profile. So we're going to go into my description, and in my description I will just pull from my website because I want all my words to be consistent, match up, and just about me. I hate seeing small businesses waste time and money on Facebook ads that simply don't work. We're obsessed with your success, and drop it into my Google description or my LinkedIn description. There is a number count on it, so just be cautious with, I know a lot of the affiliate marketing game likes the spaces. That's not a good practice on the LinkedIn platform. In fact, 43% of LinkedIn's platform is making over 6 digits a year. 72% of LinkedIn's platform make over 60,000 a year. So they're definitely the decision makers, and they're definitely the pocketbooks that you're looking for your lead source. All right, my website's in there, online media, phone number. Again, guys, any way that your potential audience can reach you, you want them to be able to reach you because you want to be able to capture an audience however they are captured. So if it's through texting, then you want to be able them to be able to text you. If it's through Facebook Messenger, you want them to be able to Facebook Messenger you. If it's through email, you want to be able to provide that as well. Here's where you want to add your specialties. If you're a real estate agent, if you have any special designation, you can add them here. If you're an affiliate marketer, maybe you add your programs here, and then you go ahead and just hit save. So that's done. I'm going to close out of that. Now I'm going on to my next step. LinkedIn wants me to add a location. So my organization does not have a street address. I will provide the city and state, although I don't live in Goodyear. I live in Goodyear. And for location name, it says headquarters. I'm just going to put corporate. We're going to hit save. Sure you get the country in. All right. So now I'm going to go to the next section, and you'll notice the more you complete of your LinkedIn company page, the more you're going to unlock stuff. So here I've unlocked content suggestions, and we'll take a look at that in a moment. I'm going to put up my first post. So with my first post, I'm just going to say this. Keyword text, alternate text. Alternate text is what you want to use on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, so that Google's able to find it. And I'm just going to put Facebook ad specialist and save and done. And then I'm going to say stop letting social media stump you. Get on a free discovery call with me today. That post my link for my discovery call. First, I'm having all my login trouble today. All right, so I'm gonna just grab my scheduling link, Bridget Brooks Brings Business, copy that, jump back into LinkedIn, drop it in my post, and add hashtag social media, digital marketing, free. So now all I need to do is go in and add my hashtags. My hashtags are definitely going to be different than yours. My first one will be obsessed with your success, because that is our motto at Belton Consulting. The second one will be digital marketing made easy, and the third one will be Bridget Brooks. So I've saved those hashtags, and now I have completed my LinkedIn company page. I do want to add a cover photo in there, and do know that the cover photo is a completely different size on LinkedIn than it is on Facebook. So it's easy to quickly create it to the right size if you go into Canva. And I will just use, I think I have one here that I can use. So I'm going to take this one, 5, resize, type in LinkedIn banner, and copy and resize and download, and I'm just going to take 5. So that's a really easy way to create your LinkedIn cover photo. And again, do it to match whatever you have on the other platforms. You want to keep your branding and your verbiage as consistent as possible. So I'm going to just jump into my LinkedIn company page and drop in my cover photo by hitting this little pencil in the right hand corner. And I know I just saved it. Open, place it, save, and there you have it. There is my LinkedIn company page. Now, just a few pointers I want to point out to you is you definitely want to have your page all the way to the end and have it say your page is built to success, or you missed a step. So on content, this is going to give you content suggestions of things that are already getting large engagement on the platform. For instance, I'm in online media and definitely marketing and advertising, and it's showing me generous, showing readiness to give more than something, all these different articles that are already on the LinkedIn platform that are getting a high engagement rate, 28% engagement rate, we go higher up, 30%, 34%. So if I just hit share, it's going to share that as a post to my LinkedIn company page. And if I go back home, we'll be able to see it there on the LinkedIn company page. Now, the whole trick of this, guys, is you want to increase your followers to your LinkedIn company page. In order to increase your followers, you first have to invite followers, right? So here's my company page. There's the post I just shared. Now I'm going to invite followers. You want to make sure that you go through and invite as many people as you possibly can. So with that being said, that is how, my friend, you set up a LinkedIn company page. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and schedule a 15-minute call with me so that I can answer all those questions for you. That's all I have for now. Bye, guys.